Beverley, what needs to be understood about what's happening at the 1492 Land Back Lane camp?
Well, what needs to be understood is that this is a historical land claim going back a couple of hundred years that has not been addressed. There's a process that that didn't work with Caledonia, so negotiations had already begun at that time, and they failed because Canada couldn't produce title to the property, not only in Caledonia at the Douglas Estates, and it's also happening here. So that's a very historical concepts, very historical information that the public needs to know, and it would take probably a whole few hours to describe the historical piece itself.
Well, let's go to injunctions. More recently, less historic, more recent injunctions were granted on August 7th. What can you tell us about those?
So I know that any court and anybody can go in and get an injunction, and lawyers can go in and obtain the information, and they have a limited amount of information when they go to court. They don't have the full story, so the judges are getting information from lawyers that don't know the history, that also have they done the title to the territory, have they looked at all of the land claims and the history. Again, it goes right back. Keep going back to the land claims process, the history. We never gave up title to those lands and territories, and in fact Canada owes us money for those lands and resources.
What's next for you guys from a legal perspective?
Actually, I don't know. I'm not legal counsel. I'm a community member. I'm from Six Nations. I'm a lawyer. I'm a law professor, now associate dean at the Windsor Law School. I have supports from around the world. And so my connection with all of the young people who are at the site, I know them since they were babies. They were there at the site in Caledonia in 2006. So I 100% support them and know that what they're doing is according to Haudenosaunee law and being land protectors. They're following our rule of law.
Well, Beverley, thanks for taking the time to share this updated situation with us. You take care.
Yes, thanks a lot.